Okay, I want to share to you about making the wall-mounted stair. Okay, we can start using the rotated rectangle. Click this one, and then we can click this any position. Then we can click this 300 for the width. Then we can click the thickness around 70 millimeter, and then we can click this plane and push it to the another side around 800 millimeter. Okay, we can triple click, right click, and make group, and we can make it component, create, and then we can start from here. Okay, we can move up around 180 millimeter, and we can duplicate it. Then we can move up 180 millimeter also. Then we can select move and press Control, click this point and click this point, and then we can type X 15, for example. Okay, so you can delete some unnecessary um, staircase, so you can get about it, and then you can make the another element. This is about the railing element. You can use line to make this L-shaped line, and then you can offset it inside around 40 millimeter, or depend on your design. Then you can click this line, then you can close this line, then you can push up around 40 millimeter also. Then you can double click, right click, and make group, and you can right click and make component, create, and then you can move and press Control, and you can move it up around 1 meter. Okay, then you can move it up again just a little bit more, around 1 meter. Okay, then you can make the rectangle start from here to there. Then we can push it down, and then you can move it up, and then you can click, right click, and make group, and make component also, create. Then you can move to the another appropriate position based on your design, and then you can click this one, move, and press Control to duplicate, and you can make unique and push it to uh, the more tiny than before. Then you can move and duplicate, start from here, and then click in here, and then we can type X 30 and enter. Okay, so you can get a lot of multiple copy, so you can delete some unnecessary object. Okay, you can delete some unnecessary object, and you can select move, press Control to duplicate, and you can move in here. Then we can click rotate and type 90, click move and place on this position, and then you can place on this position, and then you can select move, press Control, and then place on this position, and then you can click type X 10. Okay, so you can continue by yourself to complete this railing arrangement or flange arrangement. Okay, well, you can delete some unnecessary object over there, so you can continue it by your design inspiration or by your desired design. and and this is about the construction of the wall-mounted stair, and you can also move or push it down. Okay, because the inside of this staircase is about the steel structure that it's mounted to the wall, and you can also adjust for the material with synthetic surface. Maybe you can use the formica laminated. Then you can click this one and select this one, or you can select a wood material for making the natural wood. You can click this wood veneer number 2, and then you can triple click and make group, and I'm sorry, you can assign material, and also you can assign with another texture and many more. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.